Hello people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lizzie. Please hit the subscribe button if you've not subscribed to my channel, and also hit the like button if this video helps you in any way, and also share this video if this video helps you in any way. So today I'm going to be showing you all how I was able to tie this gele. If this video helps you, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like and share. I love you guys so much. So the first thing I did was to fold the edges of my gele, and then I made about 4 pleats before placing the gele on my head. I am going to take one hand of my gele and place it behind one of my ears. The rule for this particular gele today is 80-20. One hand of your gele has to be longer than the other hand of your gele. So you just really have to take your time in arranging your pleats so that your gele comes out nice and beautiful. This right now for me is the 20 part of my gele. I'm just going to bring it towards the front. Right now I'm going to place it on top my ear. I'm going to bring it towards the front and make pleats with it. You just really have to take your time in making your pleats so that it comes out nice, like I said. So I'm just going to bring it towards the front and make pleats. I'm going to make about 4 pleats before pinning this hand of my gele. You really would want to pin your gele properly so that it doesn't unravel and so that it stays firm on your head. This is very important. So I'm just going to also pin my gele properly so that it doesn't unravel at any point in time. So right now, this is the 80 part of my gele. I'm just going to take it round my head and also make pleats with it. I love this gele so much because it's very easy. It doesn't take more than 5 minutes for you to tie it, and it can be used for any occasion at all. So this video is just to show you guys how you can be able to tie this gele on yourself. And this is one of the trending geles right now. So I'm just going to take my time in making my pleats. Okay, so the pleats you make when you bring the 80 part of your gele towards the front of your head depends on how big your gele is. Like for me right now, I had to make just 3 pleats when I brought the 80 part of my gele towards the front of my head because my gele is not so large. So I'm just going to take the end part of my gele, and pin it. I would have pinned the 2 hands of my gele if I had the 2 hands right now, but I only just have one. So I'm just going to take that one hand and pin it, and you have to pin properly. Okay, so that's right there is my sister interrupting my video as usual. So when you're done pinning, you really just have to take your time in arranging your gele so that it looks nice. So at this point, I'm really just going to take my time. I'm just going to keep pulling the pleats of my gele up until it gives me what is exactly on my thumbnail. I love this gele so much. It's not difficult at all, and you can easily do this. So I'm just going to take my time in making sure that my pleats comes out the way it is on my thumbnail, and it actually comes out nice and good. So guys, this is about the final look of the gele. I do hope that this tutorial has helped you in one way or the other. If it has, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like, and share. I really love it when you guys do that. And if you've not watched my previous videos on how to tie gele, how to tie any type of trending gele at all, please do that, because it's really going to help you to know how to tie gele. I love you guys so much, and I can't just wait to see you all in my next video. Please turn on your notification button so that each time I post, you will definitely be the first to know. I love you guys so much. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.